Hi there, my name is Ivan. Today, we'll reminisce on some of my experiences as a student at Catholic University, from the Faculty of Arts and Humanities in the career of Pedagogy of National and Foreign Languages. Let me tell you a short story about how I started my career here at Catholic University. In life, you'll come across many people, but there are certain people that you will never forget. In my case, I'm all about English, so I wanted to pursue a career related to the English language. Hence, I came to the campus and I met the director, Mr. John, who instantly made me feel at home. Moreover, he gave me that sense of oneness. At the time, I hadn't studied for many years. Nevertheless, he was able to encourage me to pursue my objectives to become an English teacher. One of the aspects that I love the most about our faculty is the fact that professors do care about us, our developing our professional careers. What I've learned in the classroom, I was able to implement at work with my students right away. I am indebted to Mr. John and Miss Mariella and to one of our former students who made it possible for me. I have been blessed to work with the best student promoters to ever exist on campus. I am grateful to each and every one of my peers. Without them, I would have never made it this far. I will firmly advise everyone to join Catholic University. There's nothing to think about because here your dreams will become a reality. Thank you guys. That will be it for today.